Hello students, this is Prof.Shrenik Shah. I'm here to introduce a new innovative way to learn physics. Yes guys, we are introducing a workshop for a chapter Electric Charges and Fields, also known as Electrostatics Part 1. In the workshop, we are going to meet for 14 days. Yes guys, in 14 days, you are going to encounter video lectures, live doubt solving lectures with me, as well as MCQ lectures in which the entire concept as well as the different types of MCQs will be covered for you. And this particular plan has been designed especially for all the students who want to learn the chapter one at a time and make sure that the entire chapter is understood at one go. Yes guys, so please do join us like the 10,000 students who have joined us already for the Physique app, and definitely you are going to get benefited by it. So guys, see you very soon in October to start with the workshop. Thank you everyone.